Hello, I would like to present you my project created in Tia Portal using Factory I/O Simulator. I decided to make this project after a few weeks of learning Tia Portal on my own. PLC program controls lids to basis assembly station, two belt conveyors transport parts that are loaded randomly in three colors. The vision system checks the color of the lid that is being transported before the positioner. If the color fits the recipe's color, the positioner will lower and position the lid. Next, the lid is taken by the manipulator and is connected with the base that was positioned the same way as the lid. The finished part is counted and moved in order to be collected. The station is equipped with basic function buttons to control the process, one e-stop button and a HMI panel. On the main HMI screen, after we log in, we can set how many parts we want to produce, check how many were made, reset the counter, select the language and check what recipe is currently selected. From the main screen view, we can go to other screens like choose a recipe, create a recipe, I/O view and force, alarms, and users. I will begin from logging in as the boss to have access to all the functions. Then I will create a new recipe. Numbers that I am putting in the recipe stand for blue parts in the simulation environment. After creating the recipe, I can load it right away to the PLC. When we go back to the main screen, we can see that the recipe is selected and the station will assemble blue parts. After that, I have to set the target amount of production. We can set it to 0 to make the process work endlessly. Before launching the process, I have to reset the safety status and set the mode switch to auto. After pressing the start button, the process begins. A bar indicator shows us the progress of the process. From the process control screen, I can monitor the sequence steps. I can turn on manual mode anytime. This will allow me to proceed the process in semi-automatic mode. If I want to go back to auto mode, I have to rotate the mode switch back to auto, finish the sequence manually and press start. As you can see, we've achieved our production target and therefore the process has stopped. I will select a recipe where the station is connecting parts regardless of the color. As you can see on the main screen, we can see a red dot. This indicates that the station is in the middle of a recipe change. The station will finish the part that is currently being made, change the recipe and continue the process. If I press the stop button, the process will finish the part that is currently being made and stop the process. If I need to, I can press the e-stop button, which will immediately stop the process and all moving elements. After rotating the e-stop and resetting safety status, I can press start to resume the process. If I go now to the I/O screen, I can see all inputs and outputs. When I need to, I can turn on the force mode, which will allow me to control the outputs. When I turn the force mode off, the station will continue the process. Every step in the sequence has its own alarms. If it takes too long to complete one, or there is a problem with the hardware, the HMI will let me know in the alarm screen. That is all I wanted to show you. Thank you for your attention and I wish you a great day.